were once worn as shawl, waist wrapper by women, bedspread, blanket, waistcoat and trousers. As you can see, the spun threads are well cleaned by heating and washing. Then the threads are rolled into different balls and used for weaving. For weaving, these clothes are designed at intervals by using usually take them 2 weeks to weave a cloth. It is believed that breaching of the prohibition generally leads to are same in style and designs. Alisa is usually designed with the fibers are usually very thick, rough and durable, which were once worn as short. Alisa is also used for carrying paddy, vegetables and other goods. And finally, after the process of weaving, you